Surah Al-Baqarah, para number 2, Ruku number 17. Mind map. Verse number 142. The foolish among the people will say, what has turned them away from their Qibla, which they used to face? Say, to Allah belongs the east and the west. He guides whom He wills to a straight path. Verse number 143. And thus we have made you a just community, that you will be witnesses over the people, and the messenger will be a witness over you. And we did not make the Qibla which you used to face except that we might make evident who would follow the messenger from who would turn back on his heels. And indeed, it is difficult except for those whom Allah has guided, and never would Allah have caused you to lose your faith. Indeed, Allah is to the people kind and merciful. Verse number 144. We have certainly seen the turning of your face toward the heaven, and we will surely turn you to a Qibla with which you will be pleased. So turn your face toward al-Masjid al-Haram. And wherever you are, turn your faces toward it. Indeed, those who have been given the scripture well know that it is the truth from their Lord, and Allah is not unaware of what they do. Verse number 145. And if you brought to those who were given the scripture every sign, they would not follow your Qibla. Nor will you be a follower of their Qibla, nor would they be followers of one another's Qibla. So if you were to follow their desires after what has come to you of knowledge, indeed, you would then be among the wrongdoers. Verse number 146. Those to whom we gave the scripture know Him, as they know their own sons. But indeed, a party of them conceal the truth while they know it. Verse number 147. The truth is from your Lord, so never be among the doubters. Conclusion. These verses talk about the change in the direction of prayer, Qibla, from Masjid al-Aqsa to the Kaaba, which tested the obedience of the believers. 2. The real success lies in following Allah's command, even if others question it. 3. Believers are reminded that true guidance comes only from Allah, not from following the ways of other nations. 4. It is a means to distinguish between those who truly follow the Prophet, and those who turn away. 5. Allah knows best what people do, and He never wastes the faith and prayers of sincere believers. Lesson. Follow Allah's commands with full submission, even when the world doubts you, because guidance and success come only from Him. Key points. Change of Qibla, obedience to Allah, unity and guidance, purpose of Qibla, Allah's knowledge and mercy.